Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Kizer Microlith here with me for a quick review. These are pretty cool, neat little knife made by Kizer in China. It is like liner lock. Overall size is 6 inches and when it's closed is 3.5 inch long. It has titanium scales with a very nice kind of vapor blast finish. There's a nice blue anodized titanium pivot collar right over here. Pretty cool drop point blade, dual tone, like polished flats, and this vapor blast main bevel right over here. 2.5 inch long blade. S35 VN still good to go. Flat grind. The sound this guy makes, it's like this. So it's very interesting. It's very, you know that this is a small knife from the sound, because it's very contained and very subtle. When you close it, it's just like that, almost inaudible. Very, very cool. The weight is pretty light. It's going to be 2.75 inch long, ounces, sorry. The pocket clip is a sword kind of designed 3D milled titanium pocket clip, and it has a relatively good tension to it. Overall fit and finish is very nice for the relatively low cost of this knife. The grip is, of course, this is a small knife. You have two nice finger grooves going on over here. The action overall is very smooth. It's running on bearings. There's no jimping going on. And the detent, I would say, is a little bit on the light side. But if you see, like, you can just flip it out like pretty easily. So there you have it. If you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.